Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about children's writing and coloring materials. Now, several months back, I talked about writing utensils, pens, pencils, and stuff like that. Well, for kids, you need to have their own stuff so they can practice their handwriting, practice their math and everything else, writing stuff out, and coloring books, crayons, the washable markers and stuff, things that they can use to color with and keep themselves busy and out of your hair. Because, knowledge is a skill that can be easily lost. And you need to pass knowledge down onto your kids, and they need to practice writing, mathematics, spelling, all that fun stuff. Yeah, fun stuff. I'm being a little facetious here, but it's important stuff. So they need to practice it so they can develop their minds, develop hand muscle coordination, and become the people you want them to be. All right. So remember, pencils for kids, crayons for kids, markers for kids, water washable, and paper, coloring books, things like that for the kids. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, writing materials, books to read, all that stuff to help keep your family life on a positive note and moving forward, even in a SHTF or Tawaki situation. Why? This is why.